OnePlus Open Apex Edition will launch in India and globally on August 7th, the company announced. OnePlus will introduce a new colorway for the smartphone. And today OnePlus sharing unboxing video OnePlus Open Apex Edition. However, the changes may not be just cosmetic, with a listing on the official website suggesting this new edition could also get upgrades in terms of RAM and storage. OnePlus Open was introduced in India in October 2023 in a single 16GB RAM plus 512GB storage configuration. According to the teaser shared by OnePlus on Twitter, the OnePlus Open Apex Edition will come in a new colorway called Crimson Shadow. OnePlus Open Apex Edition to come with VIP mode for enhanced privacy. The OnePlus Open sports a 7.82-inch 2K Flexi Fluid LTPO 3.0 AMOLED primary display with a 120Hz dynamic refresh rate and up to 2,800 nits of peak brightness. On the outside, it gets a 6.31-inch 2K LTPO 3.0 Super Fluid AMOLED display putting out the same refresh rate and peak brightness numbers as the inner screen. The OnePlus Open is equipped with a Hasselblad-branded triple camera setup comprising a 48-megapixel Sony LYT-T808 primary camera, a 64-megapixel 3x telephoto camera, and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. For selfies, it features a 20-megapixel front camera and a 32-megapixel selfie shooter on the cover display. It is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip with an Adreno 740 GPU. The handset is backed by a dual-cell 4,800 mAh battery that supports 67 W's charging via USB Type-C. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.